Our review starts with a small sawmill setup. It was built by a resident of Poland, using parts that he found in his garage. The setup is powered by an engine that produces approximately 4.5 kilowatts. To move the mini sawmill, he uses rollers that he purchased online. The design is capable of cutting fairly large logs with ease, so the test can be deemed successful. The author reports that he plans to build another similar structure, but for larger logs. If you are tired of being stuck in morning traffic jams, this homemade vehicle will help you breeze through them. The design is quite simple: a frame, 3 bicycle wheels, and 2 motors that were previously used on brush cutters. The vehicle is propelled by screws, and a special insert is provided for the pilot's convenience. The transportation device doesn't look particularly sturdy, but it easily reaches a decent speed. According to the author, the project took a lot of time and effort, so he hopes for support in the comments section under the video. This helicopter can be assembled by practically anyone. It comes as a kit for amateur assembly. The model is produced by one of the Hungarian companies and complies with European regulations and requirements for flights. The rotor diameter is 7 meters. The helicopter is equipped with various engines, ranging from 125 to 160 horsepower, and there are also models with a closed cabin. The useful load is approximately 130 kilograms. The helicopter is very practical and can be used not only for entertainment, but also for observing forest areas or for emergency medical services. We continue. Up next is a homemade tank. Introducing our tank, the authors write without any unnecessary modesty. The heart of this tank is 2 Power Fist engines, each with 7 horsepower. The creators note that the design was inspired by the German Tiger tank. However, at the initial stage, it was not entirely clear what the result would be. The construction does not include any suspension, so the tank noticeably jumps on every bump. One person operates the tank, and the cabin is spacious enough, although it surprises with serious gaps. It is unlikely that one can ride such a tank in the rain. However, this does not stop the spectators, as one of them is already asking about the price. Love karting, but there is no karting track near your home? No problem. It is enough to build this off-road cart and race on the dirt, delighting onlookers with clouds of dust. According to the author, the model is equipped with a 2-stroke 175 cubic centimeters engine, and the gearshift system was previously installed on an old Yamaha AG motorcycle. The construction is stable enough and allows for spectacular dusty donuts. A person is building a toy for themselves and justifying it by saying they are making it for their child, describes one of the viewers in this video. The resulting structure does not look like a child's toy at all. Its rugged frame and 6 wheels resemble more of a moon rover. The vehicle is equipped with a control panel for the father and a joystick for the child. Thanks to its well-thought-out design, it smoothly rides not only on asphalt but also on dirt and sand. 4 out of 6 wheels are also steering, which adds extra maneuverability to the construction. Additionally, the vehicle effortlessly climbs hills and overcomes rough terrain. You can build a mini excavator like this one using a regular car trailer if you wish. Despite its modest size, it is fully functional and, according to the creator, can dig up to 1.8 meters deep. This excavator has been working without problems for at least 3 years, and due to its compactness, it is easy to transport from place to place. The construction took about 2 years and was carried out, as the creator admits, through trial and error. However, he is confident that the result is definitely worth it. Another creation from the creator of the kids' off-road vehicle Moon Rover. This time, the talented person created a spider-like robot. Interestingly, the programs and drawings are openly available, so anyone who wants to make something similar can give it a try. In addition, complete sets for assembling similar robots are available on many websites. In the video, the author shows the assembly process and talks about some important points for the robot to function correctly. For example, some parts of the model are 3D printed. A lot of work had to be done on the software part of the project, but the result exceeds all expectations. The robot can not only move quickly but also assume various impressive poses. Here's such a homemade press that allows for quickly crushing cans from soda and other beverages. The device was created in 2018 as a school project for one of the video creator's daughters. The system operates thanks to an electric motor and crushes cans at a speed of about 52 per minute. For safe loading of cans, a unique magazine resembling a gun magazine is provided. Users have called the press design fantastic and have asked if it can be scaled and modified to be used for chopping wood. Here's a project from Germany that will delight fans of pit bikes. It's a cargo four-wheeled bike equipped with two 500-watt wheel motors. The bike frame is handmade, and the cargo compartments are made of waterproof plywood and covered with protective lacquer. All four wheels are equipped with disc brakes. The steering looks unusual, but the creator has already tested his creation on the road and notes that it's fairly easy to handle. The range is 70 kilometers, and it can reach speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour. No electricity but dirty laundry? This problem can be solved with a foot-powered washing machine. The author claims to have built it in just 7 days, and his main profession is a teacher. During the design and construction process, he used YouTube videos for guidance, and the final mechanism was inspired by old sewing machines that also used foot power. The design is simple and practical, and it can be operated with just one foot. Regular laundry detergents and fabric softeners can be used, and there is a drainage system for quick water changes and rinsing. The DIY project turned out to be quite successful, and in the author's comments, many people urged him to consider building and selling such machines. This velomobile is the creation of a handyman from Brest. The model is equipped with a 250-watt motor and can accelerate to 25 kilometers per hour. Despite the lack of doors, it's comfortable to ride even in the rain. The first trip happened to be in bad weather. Due to its compact size, the velomobile can be easily accommodated not only on the bike path but also on the sidewalk, and the structure weighs only 70 kilograms. Therefore, if necessary, it can be carried and used as an ordinary bicycle. The craftsman notes that this project is his hobby, and he doesn't plan to sell anything like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, leave a comment, hit the notification bell to stay updated with new videos, and share them with your friends. Thank you.